Looking small, shoulders narrow, your lats are invisible, and your waist looks wider than it should? Congratulations, you've accidentally built the physique of a refrigerator. And that's exactly why most skinny guys never look athletic, even after they gain weight. Because getting bigger isn't enough. The real goal is building a V-taper. Wide shoulders, wide back, smaller waist. That's the look that makes people think you lift, even when you're wearing a hoodie. And the best part? You don't need a fancy gym membership. Today, the Alpha Ant is giving you 4 exercises you can do at home to build a wider upper body and create that V-shaped physique. But don't leave early. The final exercise is the one most people completely ignore, and it might be the biggest V-taper builder on this entire list. Let's get started. Workout number 1, Pike push-ups. If your shoulders aren't growing, your V-taper isn't showing. It's that simple. Pike push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises for building bigger shoulders at home. Get into a push-up position. Now walk your feet closer to your hands and raise your hips toward the ceiling. Your body should look like an upside-down V. From here, lower your head toward the floor and press back up. Notice I said your head goes down, not your chest, not your stomach, your head. This shifts more of the work onto your shoulders. And trust me, when your shoulders start getting wider, shirts magically start fitting better. But shoulders alone won't build the full V-taper. You still need something that creates width from the back. And that's where the next exercise comes in. Workout number 2, pull-ups. If Pike push-ups build the frame, pull-ups build the wings. Your lats are the giant muscles that run down the sides of your back. When they grow, your upper body starts looking wider even when you're standing still. Grab a pull-up bar and pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Then lower yourself under control. No swinging, no kipping, no looking like a fish having a seizure. If you can't do a full pull-up yet, use resistance bands or perform slow negatives. Jump to the top position and lower yourself as slowly as possible. Every rep counts. Most skinny guys focus entirely on chest and arms. Meanwhile, their backs look flatter than a pancake. Don't be that guy. But we're not done building width yet. The next exercise targets a muscle that can completely change how broad your upper body appears. Workout number 3, lateral raises. This is the secret weapon, your side delts. These muscles sit on the outside of your shoulders and help create that wide appearance everyone wants. Grab dumbbells if you have them, water jugs, backpacks, a small child, whatever works. Raise your arms out to your sides until they're roughly shoulder height, then lower them slowly. The biggest mistake? Using momentum. If your entire body is swinging around like a baby bird trying to take flight, the weight is too heavy. Control the movement. Feel your shoulders working, because a lot of guys train chest, a lot of guys train arms. Very few guys properly train side delts. And that's exactly why so many physiques look narrow. But now comes the final exercise. And honestly, this might be the most overlooked V-taper exercise of them all. Workout number 4, vacuum holds. Most people focus only on making things bigger. The real V-taper comes from making some things bigger and keeping one thing smaller, your waist. Vacuum holds train your transverse abdominis, which acts like your body's natural weight belt. Stand tall. Exhale all your air. Then pull your stomach inward as far as possible. Hold it. Fight through the discomfort, then relax and repeat. It feels weird. You might look ridiculous. Your dog might judge you. But over time, this exercise can help improve core control and posture while contributing to a tighter midsection appearance. And now for the secret most people never want to hear. You can build giant shoulders. You can build massive lats. You can train every exercise on this list. But if your nutrition is terrible and your waist keeps expanding, your V-taper disappears. A wide upper body only looks impressive when it's paired with a relatively lean waist. That's why nutrition matters. Focus on eating enough protein to build muscle. Avoid turning every meal into a competitive eating contest. And stay active enough to keep body fat under control. Build the shoulders. Build the back. Keep the waist tight. That's how you create the V-taper. Subscribe if you're ready to stop looking like a refrigerator. Alpha Ant out.